Hey guys, so I'm gonna be changing a starter on this 2009 Ford van here. I think it's a 250 E250. It's not the starter is not clicking. It's not turning on. The battery is good. So the starter is on the passenger side bottom, right on the bottom. Okay, so this is the starter right here. Start a motor, start a solenoid, and make sure you disconnect your battery, the 12-volt red heavy wire from the battery. Then from here, from the starter here, and then the starter solenoid, and there's three bolts, one here, three holding the starter to the block. Okay, so that's the starter here. 12-volt solenoid, the ground, and the bolt, one bolt here and two on the top. It's right here. Very easy to change, so we connected it already. So now we're gonna put the battery and try to start it up. Alright, so it started up. So the starter was bad, and that's it. It's very easy to replace a starter. Alright, so this is the old starter. The starter sits like this, and there's the two top bolts, and then this bottom one here sits like this inside, with this opening here to the flywheel. So we're in this parking lot here, couldn't start, so we're trying to fix it right here. We went to AutoZone, got the starter. We're gonna take this core back to get the refund, the deposit for this. Looks like an old starter. And if you want, you can check if there's voltage at the red wire, the heavy wire, 12 volts here. Check for voltage, or you can jump the two to see if it's gonna start with the key at the on position. That's how you can test the starter too, but this one wasn't clicking. Alright, so if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.